For most, a vehicle is the second most expensive purchase after a house. To protect the value and extend the lifetime of your vehicle, you need to keep the floors and seats clean. When winterizing it, think about the interior. WeatherTech is the industry leader in custom fitting floor mats and accessories to protect vehicles from wear and tear and the elements. VP of Product Development Ryan Granger tells us more.
Winterizing your vehicle means adding WeatherTech into your protection products to protect your vehicle against winter elements such as snow and salt. Examples being the WeatherTech floor liner, protecting your carpet from the slush, salt stains. It's extremely durable material. It's manufactured from a high-density tri-extruded plastic, thermal formed into the exact shape of the floor well. WeatherTech floor liners and cargo liners are all laser measured to ensure a perfect fitting product for each vehicle. WeatherTech products are tested for a wide range of temperatures, both the heat extreme as well as the cold extreme.
We're now joined by the Nicholson family, who's not only winterizing their vehicle, but with 3 young children, car cleanliness is an issue year-round.
My kids are super messy. If we go on any kind of road trip, they want to bring all of their snacks, and it is very difficult for them to keep their snacks contained amongst themselves and their car seat. They're also bringing their arts and crafts inside, so sometimes they will leave their crayons behind. In the summer, they will melt and get stuck in the car to the seats and to the floor.
The family went online to WeatherTech.com and entered the make, year, and model of their SUV. WeatherTech has a robust database of measurements of a wide range of vehicles. Let's learn about the child car seat protector and everything else Christina ordered.
It's a great product because it protects the seats against spills, against Cheerios, crumbs, anything, crayons even. We also have seat protectors for the front, so when kids are kicking, it protects the back of the seats, but we also have nice little pockets in there so you can put some stuff in there, such as drinks for your children. We also offer mud flaps for certain vehicles, and that's a great product for any climate, actually. It protects the vehicle from splashing through puddles, from debris such as rock chips, as well as salt and grime in the winter.
So tell me about this color.
Yeah, so we have black selected here, which complements both the carpet and the interior of the seats. Though this is available in tan gray as well as cocoa.
I think my first WeatherTech purchase ever was the cup phone.
Ah, the cup phone. Universal product. It's made to securely fasten your phone while in transit. Fits any vehicle, fits any phone.
So Ryan, some people actually don't have to shop online. They can go to your retail locations.
Correct. We have 2 of them actually. One in Bolingbrook, Illinois, and one in Broomfield, Colorado.
Ryan, tell me about cleaning this, because that's obviously very important, and you brought a couple of must-have cleaning items with you.
What we have here is a floor liner and floor mat cleaner. We also have a protector and conditioner. So this will basically make them look brand new after you clean them, like they came out of the box. We're going to take the floor liner cleaner and give it a few spritz, and with a paper towel, give it a nice little scrub. You'll see the cleaning agent foaming. Wipe that all up, and it'll be good as new.
The Nicholsons don't have a dog yet, but may add a fur baby to their family in the future.
So we have seat protectors which keep all of the dirt, dander, and hair off your seats. And the floor liners, even the cargo liners, are great for that as well. Our door protectors are great because it keeps the doors from getting scratched by their paws.
And you also have barriers, right? That kind of keep them in their seats while I'm driving?
Yeah, well, you know, if you have a dog that's going to reside in your cargo area, we have a pet barrier. We even have a pet harness to keep the dog secured when it's in transit. And we even have pet ramps to help aging dogs or even heavier dogs load into the vehicles.
Do you have anything for dogs in the house?
We do. We have a whole array of pet feeding systems.
WeatherTech products are largely designed, engineered, and manufactured in Bolingbrook, Illinois, using American-made tools. Go to WeatherTech.com or designingspaces.tv for more information.